Hi, everybody. This is world's first AutoPilot investment platform, powered by Asset Market Physics. March 18, 2025. Today's topic is 13 growth stocks that are expected to roar back from their declines. All the media announced that S&P 500 just entered a correction on last March 10. So far this year, the S&P 500 has only declined by 1.9%. But its information technology sector is down 7.5%, and its consumer discretionary sector, which includes companies such as Amazon and Tesla, has fallen 10.6% in 2025. So this is a good moment to take a closer look at this year's largest decliners, to see which stocks might be well positioned among companies that are also expected to grow their businesses rapidly. Among others, MarketWatch points out 13 stocks which went deep down to roar back. These stocks are expected to rise at least 29% over the next 12 months, MarketWatch says. Let's take a look at those stocks. This content is provided for informational purposes only. The information presented is mostly derived from publicly available sources and should not be solely relied upon for making investment decisions. Take a good amount of observation to have an insight for the stock investment. All outcomes thereafter are solely your responsibility. Here are 6 deep dip growth stocks among 13 stocks. Advanced Micro Devices, Arista Networks, Apollo Global Management, AppLovin, Broadcom, Cadence Design Systems. Here are another 7 deep dip growth stocks among 13 stocks. Chipotle Mexican Grill, First Solar, KKR, Marvell Technology, ServiceNow, NVIDIA, Trade Desk. The stock you'll see first is Advanced Micro Devices. This is a monthly display of stock price changes over the past 5 years. Advanced Micro Devices, a large-cap company in the semiconductor sector. It was founded in 1969 and is headquartered in Santa Clara, California. The table you see here is the backtest results from Dr. K's AutoPilot formula. Since this type of table will appear often in the future, I'll explain it first. First, the date of purchase, the date of sale, and the price. The price is the opening price on that day, because it's best to make a buy or a sell order a day earlier. And the one-shot profit is the return on a $100 investment from that transaction. Because it's based on $100, the number itself is also the rate of return. For example, if you buy it for $46.86 on January 1, 2020 and sell it for $92.11 on January 1, 2021, like you see in this table, you'll get a 96.56% return. If you used $100 as an investment, you'd get a $96.56 return in 52 weeks. The WOM on the right-hand row stands for weeks on the market and refers to the holding period. Coincidentally, it's been a year and it's been a coincidence, however. Anyway, we've had a 96.56% return on investment in a year. We'll find out the stock and the sale date with the AutoPilot and let you know. You go down the table and at the bottom row, you see $237.16 in parentheses for the one-shot profile. It is the sum of the returns from 3 separate $100 investment transactions. And $465.04 for the reinvest profile. In the right column is the return on reinvesting the profits from the transaction. You've got $465.04 in net returns on $100 seed money over 5 years. That's a fantastic number. There's another reason why this figure is important. People sometimes prefer so-called buy and hold, where they invest once and never look back. There's no easier investment in the world. In fact, if you buy stocks like Amazon and Netflix at listed prices and bury them, it seems like there really isn't a better investment. Not necessarily, though. It's never easy, but if you go through the process of selling and buying well according to the flow of stock prices, the return on investment can be even greater. That's what Drive K's AutoPilot does. In this table, B&H profit is the return from adopting buy and hold strategy. For this you must buy for $100 on January 1, 2020, and hold on to it for 222 weeks until April 1, 2024, the final date of transaction. Then the return on investment would be $284.34. Of course, it is a considerable return on investment, but it is much lower than the $465.04 return earned from the reinvestment plan with the aid of AutoPilot. Another fact that should not be missed here is that in the reinvestment plan, the total stockholding period is 131 weeks, while in the buy and hold plan it is 222 weeks, 91 weeks longer. You could earn more with other stocks in this period. To that end, AutoPilot announces promising stocks every weekend. Take a full advantage of it. Next stock you'll see is Arista Networks. Arista Networks, a large cap company in the internet online sector. It is founded in 2004 and is headquartered in Santa Clara, California. 2 transactions with Arista Networks earned 475.17% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock you'll see is Apollo Global Management. Apollo Global Management, a large cap company in the investment advisors sector. It was founded by Mark Rowan in 1990 and is headquartered in New York, New York. 2 transactions with Apollo Global Management earned 376.14% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock you'll see is AppLovin. AppLovin is a large cap company in the software sector. It is founded in 2011 and is headquartered in Palo Alto, California. Just 1 transactions with AppLovin earned 1,024.73% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock you'll see is Broadcom. Broadcom is a mega cap company in the semiconductor sector. It was founded in 1961 and is headquartered in Palo Alto, California. 2 transactions with Broadcom earned 538.39% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is Cadence Design Systems. Cadence Design Systems is a large cap company in the software sector. It was founded in 1988 and is headquartered in San Jose, California. 2 transactions with Cadence Design Systems earned 213.03% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is Chipotle Mexican Grill. Chipotle Mexican Grill is a large cap company in the restaurants sector. It was founded by Steve Ells in 1993 and is headquartered in Newport Beach, CA. 2 transactions with Chipotle Mexican Grill earned 313.13% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is First Solar. First Solar is a large cap company in the industrial electronics sector. It was founded in 1999 and is headquartered in Tempe, Arizona. 3 transactions with First Solar earned 285.3% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is KKR. KKR is a large cap company in the investment advisors sector. It was founded in 1976 and is headquartered in New York, New York. 2 transactions with KKR earned 574.9% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is Marvell Technology. Marvell Technology is a large cap company in the semiconductor sector. It was founded in 1995 and is headquartered in Wilmington, Delaware. 3 transactions with Marvell Technology earned 359.33% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a large cap company in the software sector. It was founded in 2004 and is headquartered in Santa Clara, California. 4 transactions with ServiceNow earned 319.34% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a mega cap company in the semiconductor sector. It was founded in 1993 and is headquartered in Santa Clara, California. 3 transactions with NVIDIA earned 2,648.03% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Next stock is Trade Desk. The Trade Desk is a large-cap company in the advertising marketing public relations sector. It was founded in 2009 and is headquartered in Ventura, CA. 3 transactions with Trade Desk earned 359.3% of net profit for the last 5 years with aids of AutoPilot. Thank you for being with me, everybody. Like you see, stock investment is this easy and profitable. Never invest without AutoPilot. See you next time.